Let me give you another example of cafeteria procedure, routine, protocol. You name it what you want to name it. Typically, teachers come in, drop off their kids, they split, and they go get their 30-minute duty-free lunch. You've got as many hands on deck as you can in the cafeteria. Am I right? That's right. And as budget cuts come up, we're having more and more limited ability to pull staff into the cafeteria. And then they're like 30 minutes and 30 minutes is up. They line them up. The kids are beating on each other in line, waiting for the teacher to come back. So whoever's in the cafeteria is monitoring kids. They're watching those kids beat on each other in line. Somebody threw up, it's just chaos. And it's not good for anyone. All of your people in the cafeteria hate doing cafeteria duty. Your cafeteria team is just watching chaos. Your custodial team is having to clean up all this mess. It's not good. And I don't think that's right to do that for our kids because we set them up for failure. Post-COVID, even pre-COVID, a lot of our kids did not eat at the table with their families. That's just sort of not the thing anymore. But yet we put them in this big long table of 25 and we want them to behave themselves and talk in a quiet voice and eat their food and clean up. And it's like, what?